Hey guys, this is Reggie with Stock Talk, where I do technical analysis and trade the market based off of technical analysis and chart patterns. So don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get constant updates on all the charts that I find on a daily basis. I look at hundreds of stock charts a day, and when I find little gems, I do share them on my channel here. So don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get updates on those stocks. So Elon Musk is tweeting again, right? And so when he tweets, the market moves. If you remember last time, he tweeted about Tesla stock saying that it was overpriced or something to that effect. And the stock completely tanked, dropped a whole bunch of points, but then quickly recovered. So it's an opportunity to get in on the stock, right? So it's a nice little payday. And the same here. He tweeted today about Bitcoin, kind of bashing them, and he had quite a few tweets. Let's look at his Twitter page here. So you have this little graphic here. That's hilarious. And then he says Bitcoin is almost as BS as fiat money, which is something I never heard of, but I guess it's a bad thing. And then one word, doggy, which is a Bitcoin competitor, I guess you would call them. So I say I love all the crazy people out there. So let's check it out from a technical analysis and see how we make money off of this, right? So 4 hours ago, let's zoom in. This is Bitcoin. And the start of the day, let's go, there's a daily chart. There's a 4 hour chart, excuse me, was here, this red candlestick here. So this is right around the time the tweet happened. And so the stock kind of dipped and it started working its way back up. And so this is when the tweet first came out. And as news spread closer to the end of the day today, it it tanked. It was almost indecisive because you have a long candle, a wick here from the candlestick, and a long wick on the top of the candlestick. So it was a fight between buyers and sellers. So you got people trying to take advantage of that know that when he tweets, the prices go down, things get cheap. Other people who panic sell. So it was a fight, and so now we're still a little down. Bitcoin is at 23.6, and let's look at it from a technical point of view, and then we'll get to the competitor that he promoted. And so this is our resistance lines and trend lines. So this red trend line here is telling us where Bitcoin is going to go. So I think so. Most likely, it's going to move. A lot of people still get the tweet because it's Sunday, but I think when people go to work on Monday, they'll be on a computer, they'll be on their phones, and they'll be looking. They'll see the tweet, and also CNBC and other business news stations and probably even local news will most likely advertise this tweet also. And so people are going to either buy more Bitcoin because it had a nice push, or there's going to be some more fights between sellers and buyers. Definitely, Doggy, the one that he promoted, is going to see a boost. So I'm thinking now, Bitcoin's already going to hit 24,000. It's already in the cards, right? So now it's trading in a range here, right? See, this is a 4 hour chart. It's been trading in a range. It jumped, trading in a range. It's going to jump again. So I believe we'll see 24,000 in Bitcoin tomorrow, and then probably before the end of the week or even Tuesday, we're going to hit 24.5. So it's going to break 24,000 and just keep running to 24.5. May have a little bit of a pullback. It may even break through this trend line, and instead of being resistance line, it'll be a support line. But we go all the way through to the 24th. We're looking at maybe getting so maybe by the end of the week, we actually may see 25,000 in Bitcoin if this momentum keeps up. So we had a bunch of selling. So you look down here, we had a high volume of selling because of his tweet right here at the end of the day today. The volume was already falling, so Bitcoin was already kind of like it jumped up and it's indecisive, buying and selling. Volume it started to lose a lot of volume, but now with Elon's tweet, we may see volume return and hit 25,000 by the end of the week, or just ride this support line here to stay in this green support line and just ride that. Or if it does break that support line and doesn't get the boost it needs, it'll stay in this range between these two yellow um, support and resistance lines, which is 23.2 and 23.8. So that's where we're at on Bitcoin. So keep an eye on it. And tomorrow when the markets open, we know currency is 24 hours, but people are more motivated, I guess, during regular hours to buy. As this news spread out through the week, I do think Bitcoin will start jumping. But again, it depends on volume, so we just got to watch the volume. So it's already turning green already because people like a good deal, and everybody knows Bitcoin is a good long play. So let's look at the other one, doggy or dog A. I don't know how you pronounce it. So versus the U.S. dollar, and so it's jumped. It jumped, and say beginning of the day, it was down here. So it really benefited from his tweet more than anything. Look, it jumped, and then we had profit taking right here. All the smart money people that was already in, all in here. Probably most likely people because I never heard this currency. So most likely people that are on the inside, this is inside trading of it. And but no, now it's jumping, and this is going to be on the move. So I admit I bought some based off his tweet because I know it's going to move. And it's going up. It got nothing to do with fundamentals. I just know it's going up. I buy off of chart patterns, and once I see a reversal, I will sell. So yeah, that's where we're at. And so DOGE probably will be jumping this week. There's going to be some profit taking at some point. So Elon, it's word of mouth, man, because we got good volume down here at the bottom. Look at the volume. Volume picked up. But if it doesn't hold the volume, it's going to tank and go right back down to where it was. So keep an eye on that. And this is Reggie with Stock Talk. And just talking about Uncle Elon for you millennials. He cousin Elon for us older guys. And yeah, his tweet moves markets, and you play the market accordingly. That's what we do. All right, I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, I trade chart patterns, and I look at hundreds of patterns a day. So if you would like to know about certain moves that are, that I see, like and subscribe, and so that way you'll get notifications through the app on when these videos are released. And they're nice nuggets of information, and saves you a lot of time from having to scan for these deals. So this is Reggie with Stock Talk. I'll see you on the next video.